Dear friends, partners and our clients, I would like to present you a new case, the project that we are delivering right now for our client in the food processing industry. That project is as well dedicated to the cleaning systems and to the consumption of water. As you know, cleaning out of place, it's an operation required in many food processing factories, and that procedure is mandatory and it consumes a lot of water. And one of our clients approached us and asked if there is possibility to save the water on the cleaning out of place on the satellites that they have at the factory. With them, we have considered the project in full scope. This project has 21 satellites, so it's a quite decent factory. And of course, each satellite consumes a lot of water, and actually during the cleaning, the consumption is quite big, so you have a pool of water. And first of all, the question was, how much do we consume? So the first target of that project is to measure and to know how much water the factory consumes on cleaning out of place, and then to implement a solution that allows to save water. And I will explain the full scope of the project and what are the main components and our suppliers, our partners with whom we work, and we deliver their solutions for our clients. So the first one is to measure. We use the IFM flow meter, ultrasonic flow meter. It has the data sheet for that flow meter. So it's DN25, and it's hygienic, so it's very good for the water, for any hygienic, even for the product. It's very easy to use. It has a comprehensive monitor. For example, right now, for that video, I would like to make simulation of the flow, and I just pick up easily. You don't need to know too much. It's a very intuitive interface, and switch on the simulation. So now it shows that there is some consumption of water in order to show you how the project works fully. So to collect the data, we use another one very nice device, which is Revolution PI. It's RIF PI Core S. It's a very affordable model of industrial PLC. Many people will tell me it's not really industrial PLC, but yes, they are industrial mini PC. It has 1 GB of memory, which is sufficient to do quite good software projects. And we have implemented the monitoring solution from us. We programmed it in order to get the data from flow meter to the cloud easily. So that one, both are connected to the networks. You can see that there are 2 more. So we have 3 points, and for the pilot project, we have 3 satellites that we will control. Those satellites, they consume hot water, cold water, as well as chemicals. So first of all, I just put it in simulation mode, and I will show you that actually the data to the web, it already goes. So here on my screen, I will just refresh it, and you will see a little bit data here. So I can zoom, and I can see that the measurements, they are coming. So we will see meanwhile. So how we are going to save the water? Actually, we are going to use the solutions. We were looking for supplier who can help to save the water in that project. So first of all, we will do the pilot and we will collect the data. What is the consumption of cleaning out of place satellites in that production area? And we will know what are the patterns. So when do they use? As well, that flow meter measures temperature. So we know when they have hot cleaning, when they have cold cleaning, and we as well, by timeline, we will see, and by sequence, we will know the cleaning procedure. So how it is now. And then after a while, maybe 2 weeks, we are going to implement a solution that is called Safe Water. And that solution is introduced by a Polish company. We are also partners of CleanAccess, and they provide Safe Water solution, and this is female coupling, and it works with lenses. So they have the full scope, which you need to use together. They are not very expensive, and they work like usual lenses. But what is good in that is that the female coupling is designed in the way that when you take out the lens, you will not have the flow of the water. So actually the operators will not be able just to flash with water and consume a lot of water without lenses. So here we have two types of lenses. One is for foaming, it's white one, and yellow one is for disinfection. And I will show you how to connect it. It's just you take it out, you put it in, and it's connected. So I can use the lens with that, and that lens consumes as well less water. So that's the lens that is designed to make the quality of foaming the same like you have today, but just to consume less water. After you do the foaming, you will be able to use the lens for disinfection, which is the yellow one I have, the same coupling. And meanwhile, if the water is connected, it will not flow out, so it's not possible just to rinse as you wish. So you need to use another lens, and that's lens for disinfection. So in the project, first of all, what we deliver for the client, we take turnkey solutions. So they have the question, how much water do they consume? We provide them data. But as well, data doesn't help you just to have sole data. So we take our engineering resources, and our engineers are looking for solutions how to actually, not to get just to monitor critical for you utility that consumes, for example, or introduces a lot of cost for your company, and then measure step by step and find the solutions, which we as well do for the food processing companies, how to improve your KPIs. So we will be glad to have your comments and feedback, and hopefully requests as well. We are able to deliver projects all over Europe. And by the way, just to make it clear, that installation will be done during 2 hours, because all is set, all is ready. Lenses you need just to connect, explain to the people, and to start that controller box for monitoring, it will take 2 hours. The connection to the PLC is done through the Wi-Fi, so I will come to the factory, then I just take the mobile hotspot, and then the PLC will connect. And just to finalize that, let's update and see what data do we have up until now. And here you see the consumption. So system already works, and it will be working next week at one of the clients in Europe. So see you soon, and watch our channel. We will post more and more cases of our projects. Bye.